Amazing.
Oh, look.
I think it's the apple tree.
We've got red raspberries here, look.
The apple tree is something.
This is Claire's garden.
Oh, that's quite exciting. I'm going to have some
Oh,
raspberries.
very Sarah.
Oh, that does not want to come off.
This is the back fence, constructed from the shed, complete with a window. How many back gardens are there with a window? And this is the view through the window, or even over the top of the window.
Oh yeah, this is exciting. I don't know what this is.
Little greenhouse. Paths. Hello, Maisie. Water feature.
He had steak. He bought us this avocado to start with.
And people. It's Craig, Susan, I think that's Joan, James, Adrian, who's duty chef for the day. He's duty chef every year. Claire
Hola.
and Glennis.
We've got raspberries.
Oh, they're scrumping the raspberries, are they?
Yes.
Very good.
I didn't realise they were ready. I'm quite excited.
Well, what colour do you expect them to be?
Well, they weren't even like that last time I saw. They were more like just white blobs.
Let's have a look. Oh, yes, they are ready.
Nice.
Very good.